Installing the telematics device is a quick and simple process, completed within around 15 minutes into most vans. The OBD2 port is usually located on the underside of the dashboard, behind an access panel. After removing the panel, the device is attached to a cable which is connected to the OBD2 port. The cable is then secured safely behind the dashboard to prevent any risk of obstructing the pedals. The device is then secured to a cable through cable ties. The device is finally secured to a fixed point using additional cable ties, with the antenna facing upwards. After installation, the panel is fixed back into place.